Hola! Hola from Fuerteventura, this natural island. Ciao!
Ciao! Tutto ok?
Tutto ok?
L'amore?
L'amore okay. The wind is really high. It's very, very amazing. So come with us for this adventure. Gino, prêt pour partir? Partir? Ouais, c'est la vidéo. T'es prêt pour partir en vacances? Oui. So now we are at the airport on the road again for our next adventure. Stay tuned. Ciao. On est où?
A Fuerteventura.
Fuerteventura. Fuerteventura. Just arrived right now. We are in the airport and we are going to get the car. And here is the line. We are looking for the car. Elena! It's here. This one. Yeah.
Non, t'es négatif, ça. Je rentre mon ventre. Faire attention. Alors faire attention.
Just arrived to the hotel. Still waiting for the cab. Waiting for the keys. More than half an hour waiting for the keys here. Yep. Hola! Hola from Canarian Island. Hola from Fuerteventura. Hola from this amazing volcanic island. Actually, today we just arrived to Fuerteventura, where we are going to spend a few days here to discover this amazing place and to discover this natural island. Actually, Fuerteventura is one of the most known Canarian islands that kept its own touch. The nature, where you can feel the volcanic nature. So now we are just outside and we saw this beautiful view here, as you can see. And we just decided to stop to enjoy this beautiful landscape. And the wind is really high, but still the smell of this beautiful wind is very salty and it's very, very amazing. So come with us for this adventure. I am in a place named Caleta di Fusti, and this place is very known with these volcanic rocks, as you can see it here. Like, you feel literally like you are walking in a different planet. So also what I can recommend is that if you want to come here and enjoy the natural pool, you just have to check high tides and low tides time, because it highly affects the color and highly affects your plan. If you plan to swim and enjoy this natural pool, you'll be not able if there is high tide. So yeah, we are just enjoying this unusual landscape. This our first time here in Fuerteventura. Yeah, it is someone who's enjoying the pool as well, the natural pool as well, as you can see here. Let's talk a little bit about the name of Fuerteventura. As you can see my hair. So Fuerteventura, it is a name to say from Spanish. Fuerte, it means strong, and Ventura, there is a lot of person who are saying that Ventura is referring to the venture. If I'm not mistaken, it means a wind. So Fuerteventura, it means a strong wind. Windy place, which is actually the case. As you can see here, it's around 29 degrees, but still there is a very strong wind every time here. Even with beautiful sun, the time it's very suitable to go and swim and enjoy the beach time, but still there is a lot of wind here, which is normal thing. Yeah. Hello guys! So we are now in our second stop, which is the Playa de Sotavento, the lagoon place where you enjoy the turquoise color beach, mainly during the low tides. The drone is going to follow us directly to the lagoon. This spot is really important and interesting to enjoy the sunset because it shows very beautiful reflection of the sun on the water. And here I am, and the drone is just there. Wow, it's beautiful. If you come here, plan to spend like half a day and choose to come here by the end of the day. I mean, to enjoy the sunset. It is very famous as well for surfing, and there is a kite surf school here where you can just enjoy and you can do surfing and even learn surfing if you have the sense of adventure, for sure. So yeah, like more the natural vibes, you like more the hidden gems, you want to have all this beautiful place just for your own, directly come here, guys. I can tell we have this place for us. There is few people, there is not that much persons here, but I can tell it really worth it. Actually, it is really amazing. I cannot I don't know how to explain, I don't know how to describe the place, but wow. Actually, when we saw the place from the top of the hill, just there, we said, wow, we are really amazed, and wow, yes, this is the place that we really want to see. Put this on your plan or your next travel plan. Come here, come to the Sotavento Playa and enjoy this amazing place. Yep. Hello from Morro, Jable. Actually, after visiting Sotavento, we just starting hanging around and then just feeling hungry. So we decided to look around, and then I made a quick research, and I found a good restaurant in Morro, Jable. As you can see here, we are on the main road and we are walking in this beautiful walking street, and we're gonna try some Spanish food. So yeah, I will show you everything. See? So we are going to have our dinner here, just in front of the sea.
Good morning, explorer. So this is our second day here. It is around 8:30 a.m. and we are almost ready. Our friend is not feeling good for a hiking day because the plan was exploring Arco de Penidas, and it's kind of 30 to 40 minutes of hiking, real hiking, to reach the top of this place, the Arc, and visit it. So we changed the plan and we decided to go and visit somewhere else than Fuerteventura. The day is about exploring neighbors' islands. So we're gonna start with Lobos Island, and then we're gonna go to Lanzarote Island. I saw small videos about, and it looks very amazing. We're gonna also try to have a chilling time. We'll see if we're gonna stick to the plan, because usually we change the plan like quickly. We'll see. So yeah, this is my outfit check. I don't know if you can see enough or not, but let me show you around. The sun is here, almost. Tadino, buongiorno. Oui. So they're waiting for me there. So yeah, what I suggest is, if you are going to spend all the day outside, even till the evening, and you are not sure to come back to the hotel, just bring something warmer with you. Maybe if you come here around October. During the day it's really warm, it's summer weather, summer feeling, but during the evening, no way. So now we are here just to take the tickets. Finally, we decided to go directly to Lanzarote. Okay.
Because there are two offices, yes?
Okay.
And then you pay the remaining amount, and then you take the bus,
Okay.
the ferry.
The ferry.
Don't forget to tell them what time you want to come back.
Okay, we need to tell.
Yeah, tell
and
them.
the price includes the round trip.
Yeah,
Going
yeah,
back.
exactly. Yeah, go on back.
Okay, perfect.
So,
Bonjour monsieur. Et parla. Alors, dis-moi.
Me gusta la banana, me,
Me gustas tú. Me gusta la mañana, me gustas tú. Me corazón.
y corazón.
So yes,
We are going to get our ferry at 12. So no Lobos,
No lobos.
just Lanzarote.
Just Lanzarote.
But
But...
we are going to get a motorcycle. Yes? What? On va pas prendre une moto?
Ah, yes.
Yes. Perfect. Good. Mais moi, on voit jusque là. So yeah, we are now in the port. We checked the place where we are getting our ferry. It's at 12 a.m. and now we are getting to the car since we decided to get motorcycle. So we are getting right of one of the backpack to make it easier to ride the motorcycle. I think I start getting hungry. What about you?
What about you?
What about you?
What about
T'as faim?
Ah, avete fame?
No? Un caffè.
Un caffè.
Un caffè? Sì, ciao!
Ciao! Tutto ok?
Tutto ok?
E l'amore?
L'amore ok? So we were gonna sit somewhere to drink and have some snacks maybe. And yeah, the recommendation is you need to organize better your day trip in order to be able to visit both islands, because there is not enough ferries, or let's say it's not really frequent to get ferries, not every half an hour. No, I think in total maybe five or six ferries per day. So yeah, see you later.
Auf Wiedersehen.
See you later.
Ah, see you later.
Grazie.
L'assaggiate? No. Almeno l'assaggiate per vedere che gusto c'ha, l'assaggia.
So here we are going to try tortillas and pancake. Hello guys, from the speedboat just behind us, Fuerteventura, and the other side here is Lobos Island, and we are heading to Lanzarote Island. It's gonna take around 25-30 minutes. It's a real speedboat, as you can see here, and if you feel really dizzy, you can medicine for dizziness, because it's not comfortable at all. Yeah. See you there.
It's a bit different. And it's really large.
Vale, aquí es la cuestión de off. Tienes que apretar. Se enciende la luz de ahí, ¿no ves? De la llave, la luz de la llave.
So for those small motorbikes, we paid around 50 euros for the whole day. Even we are taking those moto just for 4 hours, even though you should pay the total amount.
And this is how we end up our day. From straight hair to curly hair with this beautiful sun-kissed face. Yeah, we really enjoyed our day and it was really, really amazing. And you should visit Lanzarote if you have time, if you are just nearby here in the Canary Island. I really love it.